Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So Sephora recently had their friends and family sale, which you received 20% off on. And so I did a haul. One of the socialites was gracious enough to extend the invite to use her discount. I appreciate that. I've never actually been able to shop the friends and family sale. I never knew anybody who worked there, so this was pretty cool because I usually see hauls about it but never got to shop the sales. So everything I show you guys today will be linked right there on the screen on that YouTube shopping tab. Be sure to check that out, and if you want to see what I got during the Sephora friends and family sale, then keep watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with makeup, and then I did get a few fragrances as well. So first up is this soft touch powder puff. So Rare Beauty came out with the cutest powder puffs that I saw on the website, and they were sort of inexpensive, so I thought, why not check these out and see what it's given. So let's open this up. Okay, so it does come with 2 puffs in the pack. Ooh, and they are really soft, like really soft and plushy, and it does have the Rare Beauty on that side. And keep in mind with these, and one of you guys told me that too, when you use one side, you can literally just flip the thing to the opposite side and start using that side, y'all. I didn't even know that for like the first year of me using these type of puffs, but this one feels really good, and the way it's made is so well made. Like, the way it's sewn is giving like luxury clothing brand, like wow. So I'm excited to use these on the next Try New Makeup video. Has launched a new shade in her Ultra Blur powder, which I do use that powder. You guys have seen me use that so much. Used to be my go-to before I started switching it up so much, you guys, but it is excellent. So it's now in the shade Rose. This is the small one. They do have like the large full size, but I got the travel size one. It's so cute. It's pink, and then it has like a rose gold top. Feels really soft, feels just like the other one, except this is a different shade. So we'll be trying this one as well coming up really soon. So Fenty Beauty did recently launch some gloss bomb sticks. It's a high shine gloss stick, and I got the color Fenty Glow. I thought I got Fussy, so maybe I got Fenty Glow. So this one's it. I meant to get Fussy, but not to say I won't like this one. So let's swatch it. It's nice, a nice neutral shade. And along with the gloss bomb sticks, Fenty did launch some new lip liners, and I picked up 2 of them, one in the shade Xtra Thigh and one in I Wouldn't. So that's Xtra Thigh right on top of the gloss bomb, and then that one is I Wouldn't. And they're really creamy, by the way, very creamy. And it looks to be like that plastic type. You know how some are wood around there and some are plastic? So I'm wondering, how does this sharpen, or is this a... So comment down below, let me know, what have you guys been sharpening this with? How does it sharpen? What's tea on the sharpening part? Because it looks like a hard plastic, which is interesting. I also picked up 2 of the new Fenty Beauty blushes, you guys. The wine one, Summertime Wine, and then the orange one. I accidentally left that off, so you guys will see that in the next Try New Makeup video. Sephora recently launched a skin tint, and it's a long wear 12-hour hydration skin tint, and it's called Reveal the Real. So I'm so excited to try this out. I did test it on my hand in the store, and it gave super sheer. So if you need any type of coverage at all, this will not be for you. Like, it is sheer. And I got the shade 250O. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's 250O, and I think it's gonna be a nice match. Now Sephora also recently launched a 12-hour setting and mattifying primer, and this is supposed to give 12 hours of wear. It's in the shade Universal, and I think this is the only shade that it comes in. I don't think it launched in any other shade other than this universal. And it looks like it just lightly mattifies. It feels almost like air, like a soft cushiony air. Like it feels really nice. So recently on my July favorites video, I talked about Eadam skincare. They sent over a couple products that I've fallen in love with. I use them every single day now since I started using them. And a couple of the socialites told me that they have a lip balm that's pretty popular. And so I picked up one of the Eadam lip balms, and this one's in the shade Burnt. So the packaging is really nice, chrome packaging, and then it has a chrome cooling tip. Oh, it's thick. Oh, okay, this is thick. This is one of those when you put it on, this is gonna last for hours on the lip. I can imagine you put this on before work and it still be on like after lunchtime, if not longer. That's how thick it is, which I don't mind those type of lip balms. I actually like them. So it does have a hint of color. Nice, I'm excited about this one. So before we move on to the fragrances, let me show you the samples. So this one's the Caudalie Premier Crew, which I love Caudalie products. It's an eye cream. Okay, it's an eye cream. I love a good eye cream. So I'll put this right here. I'm going to test that out tonight and keep you guys posted. And then Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And I love using light blue on my son. So anytime I get a sample of light blue from anywhere, I keep it and I use it for him. It smells really good on him. He's 8. And then they gave me a couple samples of Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, which I already have a full review of this up on my channel. So if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and click on that link up there and check it out. And they also gave me a sample of Daisy by Marc Jacobs. This one's Daisy Intense. So yeah, they gave me quite a few fragrance samples. I love that for me. So moving on to fragrances, you guys, and I'll have the reviews of these up probably between today and tomorrow. So Replica launched a new fragrance called Afternoon Delight. So this is the outer packaging, and it's supposed to be a vanilla. The fragrance description says warm vanilla Madeline. Style description: memory in a fragrance. Paris 1996 is what it's given. All right. Whoa, the top just flew right off of it. Smells very familiar right off the bat. Watch the review to know what this smells like, because this is reminding me of another vanilla that hit the internet by storm, probably like at the end of last year. Brow Girl Jane's Carousel, which I was super excited for this. Now this is supposed to be another vanilla type, I think, as well. No, it's caramelized apple, sparkling black currant, sponge sugar, lily of the valley, coral rose, orange blossom, sandalwood creme, cloud musk, and cherry leather. So this is probably sweet and sexy by the notes. And Brown Girl Jane typically does not disappoint with their fragrances. They're usually amazing. If you're like a sweet or tropical or Caribbean vibe type fragrance girly, you would love this fragrance house. This one also reminds me of something as well, but maybe even better. I'm just saying. And the last fragrance is a Sol de Janeiro fragrance that recently launched. Now this is a relaunch that they have now made permanent, and it's Sol de Janeiro's Cheirosa 76 perfume mist. And I think when it launched last year, it was called After Dark, if I'm not mistaken. And I never did get to smell After Dark. So this one, Cheirosa 76, captures the dazzling 1976 discotheque era of Brazil. Okay. Go wherever the night takes you with midnight jasmine, black currant, and amber wood. So this has a few notes that Carousel has in it. So, ooh, the Carousel is, ooh. This one is definitely giving nighttime, no other time other than that. That's it for this haul. Comment down below, let me know if you've tried any of the items that I mentioned today. We're gonna have a video coming up really soon of trying all this new stuff out and reviews of these fragrances. So I'll also have them linked on the screen on that white YouTube shopping tab and in the description box in case you guys are interested in picking them up. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.